Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in continuation to my videos, I wanted to post a video about the highest paying nursing jobs in 2019, and this is accurate information. I did my research for you guys and I found the jobs that pay the best in the nursing field. So if you want to find out what they are, stick around. If you're new here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Hey guys, so we're back again with another video, and I wanted to share with you the top 10 highest paying nursing jobs that I found as of 2019. So let's get right to it. Number 10 is gonna be a pediatric nurse. And with a pediatric nurse, you'll be working with kids from infants all the way up to teenagers, and you're going to need at least an associate's in nursing, but a bachelor's degree is preferred. So keep that in mind if you guys want to be a pediatric nurse. And also the salary for a pediatric nurse is $58,000 a year. And that's on average, you know, because every state is different, every facility that hires nurses is different. So the average salary for a pediatric nurse is starting at $58,000. Okay guys, number 9 on the list is a neonatal nurse. Now if you don't know what a neonatal nurse is, it's basically a nurse that works with premature infants, and they need to have at least an associate's degree, but for this one, a bachelor's is also preferred. And their starting salary on average is $61,000. Okay guys? All right, so number 8 is gonna be a nurse researcher. And their job consists of conducting experiments and analyzing that data to improve the field of nursing. In order to get into this career, you're going to need a bachelor's degree in nursing, and the starting salary on average is going to be $81,000 for this one. Okay, so coming in at number 7 is going to be a clinical nurse specialist, and I'm sure a lot of you guys have never heard that term before. It's also new to me, but a clinical nurse specialist is someone who works with all types of patients, and they provide advice and treatment options based on the patient needs. For this type of field, you're gonna need a bachelor's degree, and their starting salary is $87,000 a year, guys. Not too bad, right? Okay, so coming in at number 6 is gonna be a geriatric nurse. And correct me, leave me a comment down below if I'm saying this completely wrong, but yeah, these are the type of nurses that work they work with the elderly population, and in order to be in this field, you're going to need to get a bachelor's degree, and the starting salary is $94,000. That's almost $100K, guys, for your bachelor's in nursing. Okay, coming in at number 5 is going to be an orthopedic nurse. And this type of nurse works with patients who have fractured bones, and they help to rehabilitate them. So for this type of nursing job, you're going to need at least an associate's degree, but a bachelor's, like most jobs, is always more, you know, preferred. It looks better on your resume. And the salary for an orthopedic nurse is going to be $100,000. And let me stop here for a second real quick before I finish off with the top 4. I found this information on payscale.com, so if you guys want to go to Payscale and do some research and stuff, then by all means go ahead. But this is where I got the information, and they have more information on there as far as other nursing careers and stuff like that you can find. Okay, so getting back to it, guys. Number 4 is gonna be a mental health nurse practitioner. And a mental health nurse practitioner works with psychiatric patients and they can diagnose patients, and they can also prescribe medications to them. And for this type of job, you're going to need a bachelor's in nursing. Okay, guys? And the starting salary for a mental health nurse practitioner is going to average about $101,000 a year, which is pretty good money. Okay, so number 3, the top 3 earning nursing careers. Okay, so number 3 is gonna be a certified nurse midwife, which I'm pretty sure everyone is familiar with. This type of nurse is the one that she deals with pregnant women, and she helps deliver their babies, and she's like their go-to physician, you know, for the pregnancy and things related like that. So in order to get this type of job, you're going to need a bachelor's in nursing, and the salary for a certified nurse midwife is $102,000, which is really, really good money, guys. So if you're interested in pregnant women and helping them get through their pregnancy, then this might be a good job for you. Okay, so number 2 is going to be a nurse practitioner. And a nurse practitioner, usually they're like family practitioners, you know, who work with all types of patients from young to elderly, and they diagnose and they treat illnesses and diseases. So kind of like a doctor. You could kind of compare it to a doctor, but you're a nurse. And you have less schooling than a doctor, but you can kind of almost do the same job as a doctor. So a lot of people like this one. And for this one, you are going to need at least a bachelor's degree. But I know, and I seen and I heard a lot of people saying that usually they'll go and get their master's, and that's probably the best way to go about it. I don't know why pay scale said a bachelor's, but it's on there, guys. So feel free to do some more research. If I'm wrong, please correct me. Leave a comment down below. So now for the number 1 paying nursing job is going to be the certified registered nurse anesthetist. So these are also known as CRNAs, and they make the most money out of any nurse in any hospital. And what they do is they basically administer anesthesia to all the patients, and they kind of keep an eye on how they're doing as far as the anesthesia goes and things like that. They make sure that the process is smooth, the patient is stable and out of pain, which is a pretty awesome job. And for this job, you're going to need at least a master's degree, or you can also come into the field with a doctorate. So it's totally up to you which one you want to get. Either one is accepted, and the starting salary for a nurse anesthetist, yeah, I guess that's what you say. Their starting salary is $143,000, guys, and this is like the top of the top of the top. So if you guys wanna get this job, then you know what to do. I mean, ultimately, I'm either gonna get my bachelor's or I'm going to get my master's degree. I'm not sure yet how far I want to go with it. It kind of depends on, you know, the feel I get for it once I enter the nursing field. So once I do that, then I'll decide and I'll keep you guys updated. But as for now, you guys already know I'm going to be an LPN and I want to start there. So wish me luck, guys. And I'll talk to you on the next video. Thanks for watching.